We have Krish with us, who's All India rank 52 in IIM Indore's admission process this year.
Yes, so सबसे पहला मॉक दिया था in November. It was 162.
How was your D-Day experience like? Were you calm that day? Were you nervous?
So मैंने स्वप्निल भैया के सारे lectures देखे थे, recorded lectures थे. MCQ was a bit lengthy for the DI part, लेकिन फिर भी वो हो गया. मतलब I attempted 17 questions, वो सारे right गए. उसमें मुझे कोई issue नहीं आया.
Hey folks, Saksham this side from Ace IPM. In this episode of Aced It, we have Krish with us, who's All India rank 52 in IIM Indore's admission process this year. In this video, let's hear about his journey of preparing for IPMAT and all the things around that. So without any further ado, let's begin. So over to you, Krish. Could you please introduce yourself to us?
Yes, so I am Krish Shah. I am from Vapi, Gujarat. My 10th score was 97.2% and in 12th it was 97.6%. In IPMAT Indore, my score was 236, the breakdown being 40, 68 and 128. And my All India rank was 52 as you mentioned, and I have also cleared Rohtak and Ranchi.
Fair enough. Perfect. So in that case, you are a commerce student, you are a fresher, so I'm assuming, you also enrolled with SIPM quite early. So when was it that you got to know about IPM, and why did you decide that this is something which is your calling and you went ahead with it?
My father being a businessman, I've always been interested in doing business, and business school was something which I was interested in from beginning, from 9th or 10th, we could say. And then when I searched for undergraduate courses, I found about IPM in around 23 August. So that struck a chord with me. So I decided that I will pursue IPM only.
That is a very specific date, but given that as an examination, it has multiple sections.
Yes.
You scored very well in all of them. So in that case, was there any one particular section which you were not very good with when you started with your preparation? How did you cope up with that?
So I was pretty confident in quantitative ability, but my weak point was verbal ability. So the most of my effort that went was into verbal ability.
So what exactly did you do to prepare for verbal? Because frankly speaking, this happens with a lot of people. They feel like ki verbal to ho jayega, they take it for granted. Does not really end up that way. A lot of them, despite scoring very high in quants, fail to clear the verbal cutoffs, and that ends up very badly for them. I'm thankful, I'm grateful that it did not end, badly for you. So why was it, what all did you do? How did you prepare for it to be here?
I did it question by question. So first there are two set of RCs that used to come. This time it was 3. But it was a surprise. But for RCs, I used to do daily RCs which were being posted by Ace IPM. Other than that, I used to read newspaper from The Hindu. Then for phrasal verbs, I had an PDF which was also given by Ace IPM, and also from other resources I found phrasal verbs. I learnt many phrasal verbs, and also I used other resources and tried finding out other things which I could use to learn them. Other thing would be I used vocabulary.com, which had commonly confused words. Then like this, I bifurcated the verbal ability section into different parts and did work on that accordingly.
Makes sense. Yes, barring this year's examination, the pattern was pretty much common set for the last 4-5 years. And in that case, having that understanding of the paper, knowing ki theek hai, pehle RC aate hain, then there's grammar, then there's, idioms, phrases, you have commonly confused words, you have incorrect word usage, para jumble, para completion. If you really understand ki paper mein kya aata hai, uske baad you can start preparing, essentially. So I'm glad that you were able to, make it through, and, you did that bifurcation yourself. But theek hai, verbal ho gaya aapka, but quants also, although, you say that you felt, a little comfortable with that subject, but still preparation to karna padta hai. The syllabus is there, you have to prepare for it. So how was your preparation like for the quantitative ability section?
So first thing I did was, because सबसे पहले तो I was enrolled in ACE itself. So मैंने स्वप्निल भैया के सारे lectures देखे थे, recorded lectures थे. फिर I used to attend the marathon series as well, जो भी होती थी, all recorded lectures. एंड फिर जो एक बार जब मेरे बेसिक्स क्लियर हो गए, उसके बाद देन आई वेंट ऑन फॉर रिवीजन सीरीज of last year's which were also available on the portal, so I used them also. And other than that, जो इस साल जो हुआ वो तो मैंने सब किया ही, लास्ट ईयर जो हुआ था वो भी सब मैंने बहुत कवर किया था.
Perfect. That's awesome. And yes, as I have mentioned countless number of times in other interviews as well, consistency is really the key. Most of the people that you see over here in these interviews are people, you know, regardless of when they started their preparation, could be 2 months, could be 2 years also. But in that particular time period, they were mostly consistent. I understand there are times when you have your midterms, you have your other obligations, which is why you're not able to give in, you know, the amount of time which is required for you to clear this exam. But for, you know, in apart from those exceptions, you guys are actually putting in the efforts. अपना lectures भी करना, पिछले साल के भी करना, सब कुछ करना, going the extra mile to make sure that, you know, there is no stone unturned, you are leaving no stone unturned, and you are doing everything very thoroughly. So I'm glad that you were able to do it. You know, that was your entrance preparation. आपने entrance prepare करा, सब कुछ बढ़िया गया, well and good. Then how was your interview like? How did you first of all prepare for interview, and how was your interview experience like for all these IIMs that you gave the interview of?
Yes, so सबसे पहले मेरा interview was in Rohtak, so I was selected for Rohtak. So I had ACE का personal interview prep, and also I took some other coachings as well for exposure. So the mock interviews went good in like, so I was confident कि interviews अच्छे जाएंगे. But रोहतक में when I went, रोहतक में मुझे ज़्यादा ACADS पूछा था. ACADS में there were questions on commerce, and which were I was very like I was confident in them, मुझे वो आता था. So रोहतक interview was phenomenal. But when it came to इंदौर में मुझे no ACADS, no HR. These are the things जो हम लोग prepare करके जाते हैं कि we expect them to ask this. But वो लोग ने मुझे geography पूछा. All of the above, कुछ भी नहीं, geography. फिर so I tried, like it had become a stress interview. So I tried being calm, but I don't know if it was the panel or like I messed up. But so उसकी वजह से मेरा rank पीछे आ गया. So it goes about to say the importance of the interview, that आप इतना स्कोर करके भी आपका रैंक इतना पीछे भी आ सकता है.
That is true, but yes, at the end of the day, it doesn't matter आप किस रैंक पे select हो रहे हो. At the end of the day, you are still getting that one seat in IIM Indore, and that
yes,
matters more. But yeah, goes to show, as he mentioned, we've had students in the past जिनका 250 above score भी आया है, and they still did not make it to IIM Indore.
Yes.
You're talking about getting a, you know, slightly worse off rank, which in my eyes is not, you know, that way. But there are people who get waitlisted, who get rejected despite having phenomenal scores in their IP MAT.
Yes.
So interviews, they definitely play a very important role in your selection. And in that case, given that you have given the interviews of all these different IIMs, do you see any differences or the difference of approach, difference of what they're looking for in a candidate across these IIMs?
So, like one difference which I found out about, like in Rohtak, they asked extempore. Indore mein, they didn't ask me an extempore. And Ranchi was a bit different. It was more on the HR side for me. While in Rohtak, it was more on ACAD side, and the Indore was completely different. It was, yes.
Fair enough. Also talking about mocks, you know, we all say, you know, mocks are very important in our preparation. Itte mocks do, utte mocks do. So how many mocks did you give in total? What was your strategy in terms of approaching a mock and also analyzing it?
If I will give a total, roughly it would be 70 to 80.
Okay. In a span of?
In a span of 6 months.
Run me through the process.
Yes. So सबसे पहला mock दिया था in November. It was 162.
Okay.
So then I went about
just intervening over here.
Yes.
162 was his first mock score. A lot of you would get demotivated looking at that कि भाई 160 अभी आ रहे हैं, मेरे तो 10 marks आ रहे हैं, 15 आ रहे हैं, 20 आ रहे हैं. But what you need to understand is this is a person who has prepared for this exam for a year, right? उसके बाद जाके he is giving his first mock. So of course, अगर पढ़ाई करी है, मेहनत करी है, तो वो marks उसी हिसाब से आएंगे. So don't get disheartened even if you're starting at a, you know, very low score. Eventually you can work out, you know, your weaknesses and get to a score which is required for you to get into the college. And how did you work on your weaknesses?
Yes, so मुझे मतलब when I gave the first mock, मुझे पता चल गया कि my VA is my weakness. वो मैंने सही कर दिया. तो QA, I was sure that I'm going to clear the cutoff of QA. मुझे जो भी काम करना था मुझे पता चल गया था कि VA में, तो आई चैनलाइज्ड ऑल माई एनर्जी टुवर्ड्स VA. मैंने एक टाइम टेबल बना दिया कि मुझे इतना टाइम वीए को देना है, और क्यूए को मैं कम टाइम दूंगा चलेगा, लेकिन मैं वीए पे फोकस करूंगा, एंड दैट्स व्हाट वर्क. मतलब ये अगर आरसी वाला सरप्राइज, थर्ड आरसी वाला सरप्राइज नहीं आता तो शायद 140 150 भी पहुंच जाता, बट या ये वीए में फिर भी मेरा अच्छा स्कोर आ गया 128.
How was your D-Day experience like? Were you calm that day? Were you nervous? Were you able to, swift through all the sections properly?
In QA I was calm enough. So ऐसे was surprisingly easy. ऐसे was easy. So ऐसे में कोई टेंशन नहीं था. MCQ was a bit lengthy for the DI part, लेकिन फिर भी वो हो गया. मतलब I attempted 17 questions, वो सारे राइट गए, उसमें मुझे कोई इश्यू नहीं आया. लेकिन जब गूगली आई थर्ड आरसी की, तब डर लग गया. सो मतलब उस दिन तो मुझे वही था कि शायद कट ऑफ भी क्लियर ना हो, क्योंकि मेरे अटेम्प्ट्स जो यूजुअली मैं अटेम्प्ट 40 अप ओवर 40 होते थे, मैंने इस बार अटेम्प्ट किए थे 37, एंड माई एक्यूरेसी वॉजंट दैट गुड कि मैं कंफर्म्ड रहूं कि मेरा कट ऑफ क्लियर हो ही जाएगा. बट गॉड्स ग्रेस हो गया कट ऑफ क्लियर, 128 आ गए. सो yes,
I think you are traumatized by the third RC.
yes, very much.
It.
Very much.
But you also mentioned one important thing that you just casually mentioned was the fact that you attempted 17 questions in MCQ and all 17 of them are right.
Yes.
So how do you maintain that level of accuracy? Because quite frankly, it's a very difficult feat to,
So basically, my foundation has been built in such a way that I am very fast at calculation. So that part helps me a lot. उसकी वजह से मेरा टाइम काफी बच जाता है. So it helped me a lot in DI because DI was very lengthy this time. वो जो 5 questions थे वो मेरे जल्दी हो गए, उसकी वजह से I could pick questions better. और जो मैंने इतने मॉक्स दिए उसकी वजह से मुझे I could work on my question picking as well as my accuracy.
Fair enough. And given that you were a student of ACE and you have been a quite, early starter in terms of your preparation, so how was your preparation journey with us in this one last year?
Yeah, so like मैंने तो कितने hundreds of hours मैंने दिए ACE IPM को. So सबसे पहले I was a part of Arambh batch. So I am a part from 2023. So मैंने आरंभ बैच के लेक्चर्स अटेंड किए. मैंने मतलब जितनी भी फैकल्टी है मैंने सबके साथ किया है. मैंने विनोद सर के साथ भी पढ़ा है, मैंने रवि सर के साथ भी पढ़ा है, मैंने आपके साथ भी पढ़ा है, मैंने हार्दिक सर के साथ भी पढ़ा है, मैंने महक मैम के साथ भी पढ़ा है, मैंने सबके साथ पढ़ लिया है, जितने भी है सबके साथ पढ़ा है. सो दैट इज लाइक वो हर एक आदमी से पढ़ने का जो एक्सपीरियंस है वो बहुत अच्छा था. मतलब और सबसे अलग अलग कुछ सीखने मिला, मजा आया. इट वॉज अ वेरी फन. मतलब वो फिर लास्ट में एंड में स्टोरी सेशंस होते थे, वो सब बढ़िया मजा आया था.
I am glad. Can you leave the aspirants with one last tip that you would want to give to your future juniors?
So I would like to give 2 tips. One तो I have mentioned about the interview कि interview is very important. जो मेरा जो स्कोर है वो, और मतलब that goes about to say कि इंटरव्यू बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट है, उसको हल्के में मत लेना. अगर 250 है, 260 है या फिर आपकी 289 भी है, आप इंटरव्यू को हल्के में मत लेना. एंड दूसरी चीज है कि मैथमेटिकली स्पीकिंग जो ऐसे वीए और एमसीक्यू है वो एटीएस वाइज ऐसे इज द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट सेक्शन, एंड सेकेंडली वीए एंड देन वुड बी एमसीक्यू. बिकॉज आप देखोगे मेरा स्कोर था एमसीक्यू में, इट वॉज वेरी हाई, इट वॉज 68, बट इट डिडंट गिव मी एज मच बेनिफिट एज अ पर्सन हु इज स्कोरिंग 50 अबव इन एसए or a person who is scoring 140 or 115 VA. So this is a very important point, जिसकी वजह से जो ATS है वो मेरा a bit कम हो जाता, और जो 220s वाले हैं वो भी मेरे ही रेंज में आ जाते थे, जो 2 या 3 का फर्क रह जाता था.
That is a very unique tip that he has given. IPMAT Indore में your total score does not matter. First of all, it has sectional cutoffs, and secondly, they have ATS scoring system wherein each section is scored in a slightly different manner. We have already covered that in one of our videos, which you can check on our channel. So yeah, that is also something that you need to keep in mind. But at the end of the day, if you're preparing, you need to prepare in a way कि आप सारे scores ही maximize करो.
Yes.
It's not that कि आप essay में ज़्यादा weightage है तो आप essay में बहुत बढ़िया करके आ रहे हो और MCQ में ऐसे बैठ के आ गए. So that it won't work that way either. So that is there. Baki, thank you so much. Thank you so much for coming here, sharing your experience with your juniors. And if in case you also want to prepare for IPM with ACE IPM, you can head over to our website and check the batches that we have launched for freshers as well as toppers. Link is available down in the description. Thank you so much. All the very best, and I'll see you in another episode. Ready to ace IPM? Get started by going on aceipm.com, and over there you'll see a free counseling button. You need to click on that and enter all your details so that one of your future seniors can get in touch with you and clarify all your queries about IPM and ACE IPM. Thank you.